everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving my master bedroom a little bit of a refresh. I'm just going to be switching things around, shopping my house. I will be doing something completely different by the window, and then I'm just going to move things around that are here on this wall here by my bed, and I hope to give you some ideas. I will be doing a little bit of cleaning as well, but let's just get right into the video, and I hope that you guys all enjoy.
Sound of people talking, the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings.
Okay, so clearly I didn't make my bed. There is a reason for that. I am going to be taking all of my sheets off my bed. I'm going to throw those in the washer. And then I'm just going to kind of straighten up around in the bedroom. I don't really have too much to do in here. Later on in the video, I'm just going to dust the dresser and the two nightstands and then just kind of vacuum and clean up when I'm finished decorating. But I'm going to get the sheets off the bed really quickly, get those in the wash because that will take a while. I will be bleaching my sheets today. I don't normally bleach them. I usually use it's an additive, and it's like a Lysol additive that you just throw in with your detergent, and what it does is it just sanitizes your sheets, but I have not been able to find it anywhere, so I will be adding bleach. I did not film that part of the video. I wanted to focus mostly on the decorating part, but since I have the sheets off the bed, I'm just going to get to this wall area here, and the first thing that I'm going to do over here is just remove all of the nails. And right here I'm just showing you the wreath that I will be putting up here in a few minutes. But before I do that, I am going to fill all of the holes, and I will be using this product. It's a nail hole patch spackle, and it's very easy to use. I just put a little bit of it on my finger and just filled up the holes, and then I took a wet cloth or a damp cloth and then just wiped it clean and then let it dry.
Reaching out for sunbeams, grasping at the light, soaking in the warmth of peace beyond a fight. You have dreamt of walking, slowly taking time, figuring the knots out in this way.
I originally was going to add more to the inside of this frame, but once I placed the wreath in here, it just looked beautiful, and I felt like it didn't really need anything else, and I didn't want it to get too busy, so that's the way I ended up leaving it. I was going to place the wall quotes that were in the frame. I was going to place those on the outside, just outside of the frame, in between the posts, if that makes sense. But I decided to take those mirrors that I had above the lamps right here and then just place the wall quotes above there. And I don't know if it looks too spaced out. I don't know if it's just me, but I really wanted to just simplify this wall to where it didn't look too busy. And I think it looks okay. I don't know. I gotta sit with it for a couple days and see if I like it. I might end up switching something around. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.
Lay down your weapons, lay down your weapons, dear.
So I completely took this whole window treatment down, including the blinds that were up here. My husband ended up going to the store and buying new blinds. We were looking for the bamboo blinds, but they didn't have them in the size, so we ended up with the wood blinds that were the darker wood color. And right there you can see that they're already placed up there. My husband didn't want to be in this video, so I did not film that part. And I did have him take the curtain rod down as well, and then I filled the holes. I will show you what I'm going to do over here in just a few minutes. And so right now I am done with this wall behind my bed, and the sheets are nice and clean and they are dry, so I am putting my bed back together. And I hate this part, and I didn't even realize that the mattress protector that was on my foam topper wasn't even placed right, and it bothered me so much. I went back and took my bed apart and fixed that part. But what also bothered me a ton was, I don't know if I just left my sheets in the dryer too long or if I let them dry too much, because sometimes if you let them dry too much, I don't know if that makes sense, but you can do like more dry or less dry or whatever. But anyways, my point is, they came out so wrinkly. I honestly wanted to sit and iron them. I know that that doesn't make sense, but I really wanted to iron them how wrinkly they were. But obviously you can't see them, so it's not that big of a deal. I didn't iron them, but that's just things that go through my head when I look at pillowcases or sheets when I'm putting my bed together with all the wrinkles. I am so tempted to just get out my iron and iron everything. Let me know in the comments if you guys are like that too.
I didn't know something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly and wordlessly. Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of our fall.
So as I was making the bed, I thought I wanted to add something a little bit different to the top of this bed. And once I looked through my linen closet, I had found the perfect solution. And I found this bedspread that I had made a few years back, and I absolutely love it. It is made out of chenille fabric, and it is so beautiful, and I love the ruffles on the side, and it just gave it that perfect cozy French look. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how I make that pocket for the curtain rod. If you guys have been with me for a while, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I do have these in my front room, my family room, my living room. I have them in my living room right now, and I get asked about them all the time, and they are just sheets. They're flat sheets. They are $4 and change, and I purchased them at Walmart, and that's exactly how I make the pocket rod. There is no sewing involved at all. Super simple, super easy, and very affordable. Okay, so what I did here is I just placed them up really high to where they were still kind of touching the floor, and it just kind of gives that illusion of making the window look a little bit bigger. Eventually my husband will make the same thing that he did for me downstairs in the formal dining room. They're just like these little mini curtain rods that go on the sides of the windows, and they don't fully close. It's kind of hard to explain. But if you have seen my other videos, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. And for right here with this lace, I did not keep it this way. I thought I would include this in the video. I was originally going to edit this whole part out, but I thought it might give somebody an idea and they might like it. So I decided to keep it up just to give you that idea if you do like it. Me personally, once I had it up and I looked at it, I did not like it. I don't know what it was. I didn't like it. I don't know if it was just too much lace. I don't know what it was. I just did not like it.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Make sure that you say hi in the comments. I hope that you guys are all doing well, and I hope that my videos are inspiring you to do a little bit of decorating, even if it's just shopping your house. I also hope that my cleaning videos are motivating you to get up and clean, or just bring a smile to your face. But I just want to say thank you. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.